Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Is Alan here? Oh yeah, great. I did try. I took one trade here and then I got stopped out there. Here is where I ended, and then I ended here. Because I see there is a gap there, so I enter here. Here's my stop loss. So say sell one. I'm looking for short. Then here's my stop loss. Then here's my target. So I was trying to see those two important levels. So if the candlestick can stop like below this bar, I went to short. But you see there is like a strong resistance here. So now the price is like kind of get into my my point of interest. So I will see if there is a break of structure, which is also called MSS. If there is a SMSS, I will enter the trade and we will see. So why this is like I'm interested in this level, because if I took the low of the New York high until the swing low, I do this tool is called Fibonacci rectangles, and then you just like draw the picture. Let me show you how to do it. Let me delete this one and then say from this bottom swing low to this swing high. I would say this is a swing high, and then here is a very important level, 0.615. So I'm trying to get one. If I failed in this level, I will looking for this level. Start doing. Let me show another thing. So I use different time frame. So this is 1 minute chart. This is 15-minute charts. As you can see, this is like always in long. You barely see people selling there, so I was looking for a pullback. Let's say if it's pullback, like start from here, I will also do the measure here, like so the first target will be the if I do this way, let's say start here, and then I was looking for like this level, this 3 level, and then here is my final target, 0.5 level. This is my plane. So I'm just waiting for, and then yeah, you also want to check different look at the chart at different time frames, so give you a better review. As you see, I have an alarm here, like to remind me. I delete it right now and start from here to here. so where is here? 0.7. Yeah, so this is kind of important level for me. So it's trying to see if there is any pullback. So usually the 1 minute time frame is my execution it's my execution chart. It took this high, then we see a drop there, but it's like a get strong rejection here. See if we can make a higher high. If it's like a keep making a new higher high, I will not enter it unless there's like a lower high. Can you see my screen though? See there like a strong rejection at my point. See that one? This area. Every time when the price touch this area, get strong rejection there. So alright, this is a good reaction here. If there is a gap, like if let's say if this is the first candlestick, this is the second one, is about to finish, and then if the third one, after the third one like a finish, there is like a gap in the middle, I will put my let's say sell stop. Oh, alright, let me choose another one. I will put a limit order there. Wow, so the bearishment and then the bullishment, they are fighting here. They're against very strong here. See who can win. It's failed. You see this two level is like kind of like an equal high. So the equal high like have 80% of the probability be taken, which means I'm looking for another liquidity taken action. See that? After that taken, I need a strong reverse. That's gonna be my signal, entry signal. But right now is not the time. How is my value though? Is it like too light or too loud? This bar is kind of strong. So let's say if you can like stop over here, okay, I will enter the tree. I was trying to enter here. I already put a limit order here. we call this order block like let's say hopefully there is a gap here. Okay, so it's a reasonable short. There is gap here, and then after this can be filled, I put it myself order here. Stop is on the top. Waiting my order to be filled.
Order filled.
Alright, my order is filled. Let's see if we can make this. Alright, probably be stop out there. I don't want to see this bar because it's closed up above this high, so like a 90% of the probability I will lost this trade. Wait a little bit. See. Yeah. So target. So this is like a trading range. So usually the beginning of the trend will be tested like around in this level. It's a good reverse bar. Let's see if it can stop below this gap. That'll be increase my probability. Who knows? So my first target out. This is like a liquidity should be taken if it's going down. Okay, I'll say when the bar like probably stop below this low, this is also the equal low, you see that? So it's also have a really high probability the equal low will be taken. So I need to see like a very strong breakout below this low, then I will move my stop to the I will move it here to so I can like break even before I if it's not going to my direction, so I will not lose money. So two consecutive bear bar close below is low, which is good one. See if we can get another bear bar close below is low. I lost like around like 10 points here. 1 point is like 20, so that'll be around 200. Hopefully we can like make it back, but we never know. So from here, let's do a measure here. 78 points. I wish because below this low, because this will make the MSS, but if like going up, if it's going below this low, and then it will close MSS. Stop below this low. Otherwise, it will like transmit to the trading range instead of a trend, because every breakout could be involved to a trading range, which is like a up down in the range, or a trend like this way. It's either this way like this, or it could be like this like this. So this will be a trend, like you see, lower low, lower high, like that. So we don't see a very like strong like a momentum there, because right now we're still in a really strong bull trend. Really strong bull trend. This is not my A plus setup, and this is just like a try. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, I will yeah, you can save the in the video. Alright, I think I will keep this in my channel, and then you can see the review there. Yeah, have a good night. Thank you. OK， 晚安，晚安。Right now I will move my stop loss like to the break-even level, so because it's about to make a miss of the structure, so change of the structure, so I don't want to lose money in this kind of a setup. If it's going back, which means I'm wrong, so I have to exit the trade. Hopefully it's going down, but the first target will always be like a 50% level. This is my first target. Right now it's reached to my target 1. Then I will like slightly move down there. This is like a strong breakout there, and then see if there any follow up there. Why this bar is like kind of strong? Because you see there's a gap over here between these two, and if this bar is like close below this low, which will form another big gap However, you see this is a very important level. A lot of buyers are waiting there, so it's always good to take profit or at least like a partial of your profit there. um, yeah. If you have a lot of contract, so I only have one contract, so I prefer to wait until like there is another breakout up, then I will exit the trade. But for right now, I will stick to my plan until this liquidity will be taken. The follow up over here is not good. I don't like this follow up. It's more like a doji bar, so which means the market is like oh, okay.
Stop filled.
I got stop out. So this is the second time I tried in New York in London section. Oh, that's exactly where I put my stop there. Let's see like for a couple minutes, see how the market is going. So I break even here or earn a little bit, probably. I'll say I prefer just say break even. So that's why I mentioned that it is always good to take even all of your profit or partial of the, or at least partial of the profit at the very important level, 0.5 level. Now here we call the MSS. Got strong reverse bar. A lot of a lot of buyer will enter after they saw this bar. It's a really good signal bar for buying, and then there is it is an okay, but it is okay, it's fine, because the bar cannot like stop above this high, or at least at the middle of the bar, it close very slow. It is okay, but not a lot of buyer will take this entry unless let's say this is like high 1 and pull back high 2. If this bar like close above its high, and we will say that's a good entry there for buyers. A lot of buyers probably will enter here. So you never know this is the end of the pullback or it's just a start of the bear trend. This, or it's more like this. Or keep making a higher high, higher low, like that. So there are different probability. Let's see the 50% level. See, price usually hesitate at this level and then move until it decided which direction to go. I should keep my so usually for a lot of traders, they don't move their stop until they get the target. It's like either win or either loss. They don't want to break even, but for me I prefer like if I see the change of the structure, then I will chop. Where is the chop? Change of structure, and then I will move it to the break even. So this way I cannot say anything, but yeah, it happens. I just went down there. If the bar can close below this gap, which means it's have a very high probability is just this movement, it will be just the first leg of the breakout, which is first leg of the breakout, and then pull back, probably like at the middle of this trend, and then we will continue going down, probably like that way. But it's also good to trade like during the good time frame, because for example, this is the New York time 5 a.m. to, so this is a not good trading time. So usually for the London section we use 2 o'clock or even 3 o'clock. That's where the trend started. Like usually have a very good chance to hold for a swing trade. For the New York session, usually will be the first 1 or 2 hour, first 1 or 1.5 hours is a good way to hold for a swing. So most trader or new traders should like do a swing trade instead of the scalping. Scalp need really like requires have a really high demand on the traders skill. So let's say if you do the swing trade here, you see from this level to this, that's like 200 points. If you do Nasdaq, which is 20 for 1 points. If you do the micro Nasdaq, will be $2 for 1 points. That would be also is around $400 if you do micro, or 4,000 if you do the regular. sometimes the breakout could fail, or the breakout is not always lead to a trend. So I will stop there because you see it's like 2:32, so I have to go sleep because we have a better time, 9:30, the New York Open. You have a better chance, probably have a, this is the most important level. Say this is my very confident trading area, because this is how many points? 40 points. The maximum I have 40 points, like $800, but I didn't take it, so end up at like 5 points around there, 4-5 points, which means alright, I have to go to sleep. Waiting for the New York Open. I'll remove this. So for now you will see this is a trend, more like a trend line. That way. So this is where the trend start. It's been taken, it's been tested, and then have a strong reaction there, goes back down. We'll test this level. This is the OB, order block, then test it back and test it again. I would say like 60% of the probability the market will keep going down. Then if this happen, it's better to move your, if I'm still in the trade, I will move my stop loss over here. So I was think this will be a minor swing high, like second high, first high, second high. If the trend goes up above this high, then I would say it's no longer the bear trend. So that's the time I should exit the trade. Alright, that's it. Good morning. See you guys tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.